Hello and welcome guys, and welcome to this short vlog. And yes, there was a lot of confusion regarding the skills training program which is to be completed by the CMA Intermediate and Final students before giving both the groups of their respective examination. Now, for past 1 year, there has been a little bit of confusion because many of you have not received your login credentials through which you can give your skills training program. So now there was a lot of confusion, sir, whether our December 2024 attempt examination will be stopped, will be halted by the institute. It will not be released because we have not completed our skill training program. Okay. So there were a lot of confusions amongst students, dilemma among students regarding the skills training program. And yes, the Institute of Cost Accountants of India has come up with this latest circular whereby confusions are being eradicated. Still, if you still have some confusions after this circular, please comment in the comment section below and I'll be able to communicate your voice to the institute, and I'll be able to tell you if any resolution is there for your problems or not. So yes, the institute has come up with a clarification of transition of old students into the new skills training program 2024. But before I come on to this latest notification, guys, let me refer to an old notification. It was released by the institute in October 2024 and it was relevant for December 2024 term of examination. So for all the students who are appearing for December 2024 term of examination, this was the circular which was issued by the institute at that point in time. It is hereby clarified that students appearing for intermediate and final examination for December shall complete all skills training activities including successful completion of assignments as applicable by February 28th, 2025. This was sort of a relaxation which was given to all the students that yes, they can complete their, although the requirement is that training is to be completed before the examination, but this was a relaxation which was given to all the students. The online communication and soft skills program for intermediate level conducted by IIT Madras NPTEL has been offered to the students who have registered for intermediate course on or after February 11, 2024 with full course fee. These students are advised to contact their respective regions for MS Office and e-filing training. So, the way in which this training was to be conducted was login credentials for other skills training program relating to intermediate and final will be provided in due course following the completion of December 2024 examination form submission process. So this was the intimation which institute gave that yes, the skills training program is not to be conducted or given immediately. You can still wait for some time and you can give your skills training program thereafter. But now the institute has released a latest notification in this regard, and this is the circular which has been released on December 27, 2024. Transition of remaining CMA intermediate students. So remaining means all the intermediate students who have not received their login credentials. Okay, those who have completed their training, this circular is not for them. Or if you have received your login credential, this circular is not for you. This circular is for the remaining CMA intermediate students to the new skills training program. So with reference to circular, wide reference number so and so, this is the circular reference which I just referred to. The remaining intermediate students for December 2023 and June 2024 exam terms. So, in December 2023 and June 24 exam term also similar problem was faced by the students that they could not attend their skills training program because login credentials was not received by them on their email IDs. Okay, so this circular is referring to those specific students will be transitioned to the new skills training program. So all the old students, all the students who have given their June 24 December 23 examination, they will be transitioned to the new skills training program. Link is given over here. Details regarding the new program will be communicated shortly by the Directorate of Studies. So new skills training program will be launched and you will be transitioned to that particular new skills training course. Intermediate students who have already received the login credential. Now if you have already received the login credential, must complete the recorded sessions and undertake the respective assessment test. So this circular is specifically for students who have not received their link login credentials. If you have already received them, please complete the online training which is available. This portal is also given to you. Assessment test schedule will be announced soon. Intermediate students who have already completed their training under old skills training program, that is SAP and others, are exempted from further training under the new skills training program. Obviously guys, if you have already completed your training under the old regime, then you are not required to complete this new regime. Okay, so this is the notification, and if I come on to the link which is given over here, then this link will redirect us to the website of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. All right. So this is the link which is given in the notification. This is the trainings tab which is there in the students home page, which is on your website, and these are the requirements. Okay. Curriculum is given to you. Intermediate skill training requirement 120 hours given to you. Bifurcation is so and so. These are the modules which you need to really refer to, modules which you need to complete under the skills training program. But of course, you need login credentials from the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Only then will you be able to complete this training. So yes, don't worry. I know I'm getting a lot of messages from many of you regarding skills training program. We have not done skills training program. Don't worry, this link has been generated. Now login credentials will be supplied to you on your email ID. The new skills training program will be applicable to all of you, and you will be receiving the link of the training shortly, and then you will be able to complete your skills training program. If you have any further queries with respect to skills training program, the new skills training program, all the old skills training program, please comment in the comment section below, and I'll be able to take it up individually if I find sufficient number of same kind of queries which are popping in. And please have patience. Okay, the only thing that is lacking in us is patience. Have some patience. Institute is taking steps for the new skills training program, and yes, you will not be debarred from your results. Your results will not be withheld of December 2024. Don't worry about that. Your results will be released, and Institute is making adequate arrangements for transitioning the old students also into the new skills training program, and that will be applicable to all of you. So don't worry, your interest will be safeguarded by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Okay, on that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.